Hello everyone, my name is John, and in this video I will explain how to find the best trading systems on PlentyTrade platform. On the PlentyTrade platform, you will find a variety of tested and proven trading systems. But the peculiarity of PlentyTrade is that the trading systems shown here only trade in one market at a time. That is, a currency pair, a trading system. This will allow you to create well-diversified portfolios later, with the monitoring of each system becoming an easy task. Okay, so first of all, on the right side of the website is a button called All Systems. Clicking on it opens the Trading System List, or TSL, with all systems, small charts, and some statistic key figures. By default, you can see the best trading systems for all currency pairs from the last 3 months. For an individual selection, simply click on the currency pair selection, that A, in the upper gray background in the trading system list. This opens a menu with all currently tradable markets for which trading systems are available on our platform. Right next to the currency pair selection, you will find the symbol for the sorting function. With one click, a ranking function opens, through which you can also adjust the order of the displayed systems according to your needs. Now that you have arranged the systems to your liking, you can take a closer look at a system by clicking on the system name. You will then be presented with a large chart, a description, all the important statistics, all trades, and an MT4 report. If you want to look at another system, simply open the TSL again and select the next system by its name. By clicking on the system name, you simply select your desired system, in which you want to take a closer look at the chart and the associated statistical key figures. Each system has its own risk setting. By default, systems have been tested and traded at 1% per trade risk. Use the minus and plus keys to adjust the percentage risk per trade according to your own needs. At the same time, this is the only setting you need to make on a system. That is the simplicity of PlentyTrade. Complicated settings are not necessary at all. But it should also be clear that risk and return are always very closely related. Understandably, a lower risk will lead to a lower yield, and vice versa. For example, a risk of 1% means that if you have an account size of $1,000, you risk $10 per trade. A risk of 3% would then result in $30. PlentyTrade has no complicated settings or calculations. The most important thing about trading is always controlling the risk. That is why we have a visual screen that implements the Risk Control Indicator. This gives you an idea of the fluctuations in the system you have considered in the past. You can use the plus and minus keys to adjust the risk to your own individual needs. The Risk Control screen shows you exactly what risk the selected system has had in the period you have set. So, now that you know how simple this process works, feel free to play with it until you find the best trading system on PlentyTrade platform, the system that suits you best. Enjoy!